Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free for a limited time offer for certification, that is the Asana Workflow Specialist certification. So worth of this certification is $299 and now they are giving free for this. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to get this. Want to be level up your productivity and become a certified Asana expert? In this video, I'll walk through the Asana Workflow Specialist certification path from the Asana Academy and designed for the help you the build strong workflow skill and manage project like a pro. So what you will learn on this certification path? How to create the effective workflow in Asana, best practice for the task and project management, styling, structuring work for the teams and across cross function collaboration, using Asana tool to improve feasibility, planning and execution, practical strategies to optimize your team's operations, whether you are the project manager, team lead, operation professional, or Asana user. This learning path is great way to strengthen your workflow, building skills, and earn a professional certificates. So this is the URL. We'll go through the URL. So when you will open this URL, you will get this page. So workflow specialist certification, and there is a program overview is there. Limited time offer. All certificates are free in the limited time. Value of this certification is $299. Okay. So name one of the top three AI certification by FOB and 2025. So we'll go through the step-by-step process. So how it works? Take the course, complete the three hands-on project, assess your knowledge, learning path. There is a lesson, exam, workflow specialist, certification. So there is a 5 hours course is there and certification is there. So next you can go through the sign up option. So continue with the Google work account, or you can work with your company account, then continue. Then you have to log in and you have to complete the task. Just assume we'll go detail on this. So let me open this. So register for the workflow special certification, register this course, and there is a curriculum is there. In this exam you will so, so this is the total 90 minutes exam and consists of the 60 multiple choice question, and a score of 80% is required to receive workflow specialist certification. Just remember this one. And this curriculum details. So all the details, deploy, workflow, dependent, and all the things are there. So there is a registration link. You can click here and click on get started, and you can continue with Google, or you can put your email address. So sign in. Yes, I'll show you sign in. So sign in option is there. So value of this one, and you can continue with this. So if you click on the resume, you will go through this, and this is a limited time offer and dollar of 299 USD is there. So go through the step-by-step process and just complete the task, whatever they are given, and complete the learning path. And all disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logo names belong to their respective owners. This video made only for the education information purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. And follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel, and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Subscribe for the free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share, and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.